Guys, Wednesday the 28th, I'm working on a Cat 730 dump truck. You can see I was doing a cylinder cutout test. Now, like, all of them are working now. When I first got here, complaint was it wouldn't start. They couldn't figure out why. I got here, let me show you what I found. That on it right there. Did a wiggle test on it. Boom, it fired up. And now I was able to do a cylinder cutout test once I got that wiggle test done. So now everything's working, machine started. So I'm gonna tell the customer, get a new engine harness and go ahead and get the injector harness under the valve cover as well. Fun fact, landfill is the very first contract I ever got when I started my company. All right, guys, have a good day.